Good morning, students. We have finished our portions quite earlier. Now we will revise the lessons. See this 1.4 I am taking it. See this page number 10. Okay. From this page you have to find all the adjectives. I hope you understand adjective. Big, strong, fierce. These are some of the adjectives. You have to find out all the adjectives from this page number and write it in your book. Adjectives, pronouns. I hope you know that he, she, is, whatever you are, they, that is all pronouns. You have to find all the pronouns. Adjectives, common nouns, that's the animals, bodyguards. These are some of the common nouns. You have to find all the common nouns, the adjectives, the pronouns, and write in your notebook and send it in the group. Okay, and few more assignments will be given to you to do. And try to write this passage neatly in your book as it is written in the textbook. Okay, I want to see it in the neat handwriting. All the punctuations and all, everything should be neatly done. See, in this page you can see over here the pronoun. What are the pronouns? Earlier I have said you about the proper nouns, common nouns and all material nouns. See what is the pronoun. See it properly, you can understand it. The first person, I, we, me, us, my, our, mine, ours. Okay, these all are pronouns. Subject, object, determiner, possessive and reflexive. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out from that page number 10 from your textbook, English textbook, all the pronouns, the adjectives, the common nouns. Okay, and write in the notebook. What else? See, I will give some of the words. You have to write the comparative, superlative degree, and some of the irregular adjectives. That also you will have to sort out and write in the book, notebook. See over here, I hope you know very well the positive, comparative and the superlative degree very well. You can see in the screen. Irregular adjective means, see over here, good. That comparative will be better and the superlative will be best. Bad, worse, much, more, most. These are called as irregular adjective. And over regular adjective you can see here, light, lighter, lightest. Only you are adding er and est. Okay, in the regular adjective. And in irregular adjective the words are totally changed. Okay, good, better, best, old, older, oldest. Here some of the difference over here. See here. Okay. Some of the this words will be given to you. You have to sort out and solve it and write it in your assignment. And one topic will be given to you as a comprehension. This essay, you have to write an essay of the given topic. That's it. Thank you, and do your assignment and submit in your group.